Hello there. Spotify has just released a pretty cool update, and that's what I'm going to show you now. That is how to use DJ AI mode on Spotify. If you want to try this out, please keep on watching. But first, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. So without further ado, let's start. First of all, make sure you have Spotify Premium. Then, if you haven't updated your Spotify yet, make your way over to your App Store or Google Play Store, and all you want to do is go ahead and update Spotify. So, when you have it updated, you want to make your way over to your Spotify application, and it will come into this page. And in the top left, there's a little music icon. All you're going to do is go and tap on music, and it's going to go ahead and show you your little DJ option. And then you can go and click on the three dots here. You can like this if you want. You can click plus and it will bring you straight into here. Or you can just click pause. So at this point, you're pretty much good to go. That's it for today's video. If you like this video, please comment down below. And if you're looking for more tutorial videos, feel free to browse and visit our YouTube channel. Thank you guys for watching and see you again on the next video. Bye!